How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. So I've been in the tech field for going on 15 years. I started out when I was about 13. I didn't really jump into the field, but I was working on things, building my own programs, and doing much more in the industry. And one thing that I've picked up over the years is troubleshooting and research, and I'm really good at that when I find a common interest that interests me. And this is one of them. So today in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, will screen recording or streaming ever return to the Shield? So with this question, the first place I wanted to start was with the creator's mouth. I wanted to get their opinion and what they said about it. So guys, I want to start there. Let's go ahead and start this chat and we'll take a look and see where that went. Alright guys, so this is the chat that I went in with Nvidia support. So I do apologize, this is pre-recorded. When I went through the chat, I was not in a position to do a audio as well. So let's go ahead and play this and see how this went. Are you planning on bringing back the option to stream to Twitch or other platforms using the Nvidia Shield? And I hit that submit button. It's loading the chat. As you can see, it takes a minute to connect, but I mean, they're still pretty prompt. I'm speaking with someone named Zia. So here I am just chatting, hello, and all that good stuff. I'm going to fast forward. And this is what I got. So I'm gonna pause this, guys. So with this answer, she put the blame on Android Oreo, and it may be their fault. It may be the code, something stopped, maybe an update or a security issue occurred, and Oreo removed whatever they need to use in order to do the Nvidia screen share, to do Twitch streaming as well as recording. And in my time of support, if I know how these things go, once you push the blame on someone else, or once you acknowledge that it's not your fault, it's someone else's fault, there's no going from that. If I would have said something like, well, could you tell me what's going on? Why did this happen? She would have said, you don't have to contact Android support or Google support to find out what exactly was removed. Kind of like a bickering battle, and I didn't want to do that. So it says, I am sorry. Can confirm if this would come back or not, since Google removed the feature in Oreo. So she pushed the blame on Google here, and I know how those things go, like I said. So I'm not going to get in a battle with her here. So I went ahead and just closed the conversation. I said, thank you for your time. Have a great day. And she responded with I am sorry about this. And guys, from here I said, okay, I can do my own research. I can go online and find something definitive that would give me the answers that I would like to do. And I'm going to jump over to my other machine and show you what I found. See you guys in a moment. Alright guys, so we're back on my my other PC here, and by the way, if you're wondering why I'm doing this, is because my office currently doesn't have wired Ethernet, so I'm using Wi-Fi, and I don't have a wireless adapter for my my rig just yet, so I'm using my Alienware laptop. So guys, on their website, I scoured every corner, every piece, excluding the blogs. I did look at the latest blogs. I didn't look at the old ones because they are outdated. Looked at the new blogs. They didn't mention anything about Nvidia screen share. I looked through all these. I've read through every single word on this website, and it is completely gone. It's scrubbed. There's nothing on this website that indicates that you can stream from your Shield, and that is disheartening. At this time, guys, I don't think that they're going to be bringing it back. And I found some even more disturbing information that will more than likely put my thought, my opinion, my deduction in concrete and just call it done. So let me show you this. This is going to be pretty disheartening, and I'm sorry if I hurt anyone's feelings by showing you this. But let's look at the full specs of the Shield. Okay. So here are the current specs. I'm going to run through this and we'll show you another sheet that I have. So we know most of this, guys. Let's be honest. I mean, we know the processor, the video capabilities is amazing, great device. Audio is excellent. Storage, we know about storage. What they recommend. Wireless, great. Interface is great. We know about weight and size. Operating system, Android 7.0. Power, yes, we know. Included accessories, we know that as well. Included apps, Nvidia games, Netflix, Amazon Video, YouTube, and we have some more here. So this is the Wayback Machine. If you're not aware of what that is, this website takes archives or snapshots of websites at any given time, and you can go back in time to view this. So I went back to January 28th, 2017. That is last year in January. And in the full specs, there's going to be some things here that aren't listed in the new specs, the most updated specs. So everything matches up pretty much until we get to gaming features. So Nvidia GeForce Now game streaming service, we know that's in place. It's not listed there, but or is it? Let's see if it is. So what we get is this right here. Yeah, guys, all we have now is Nvidia Games. Doesn't really go into detail, but over here they had Nvidia Game Stream and Nvidia Share. Nvidia Share is what allows you to do the recording and streaming. And yeah, I may be looking too deep in this. I mean, there's no gaming features over here at all. Looks like they've combined it with other things. Could be just Nvidia games in general. But from the evidence that I've gathered from the Nvidia Shield tech, as well as these two comparisons here, I would say that Nvidia isn't looking to bring this feature back. And you can take your own conclusion from what I'm showing. You may think that I'm just looking too deep into it, which I may be. I mean, this is my opinion. This is what I'm thinking right now. And this is just off of data. I'm using data comparison, and it is not there. Nvidia Share is nowhere to be found. And guys, I'm going to leave you with this. If I was a company, I would make sure that everything that I want you to know about my product is out on the web. Okay, I would have everything visible. Where Nvidia Share was something that to be proud of. Maybe a lot of people didn't use it, but the ones that did, they used it to the full capability and streaming to Twitch, YouTube. So yeah, guys, it is not here. It's nowhere to be found. I can't find Nvidia Share anywhere besides the blogs. I can't find anything to do with streaming to Twitch. It's all been wiped from their website. There's no record of it besides going back to the Wayback Machine or the blogs. Alright guys, so to conclude this video, I would like to say that, again, this is 100% my opinion. The Shield tech didn't tell me much information. It was more of a, I'm not sure. I did my own research. I found some definitive evidence here that more than likely Nvidia Share will not be coming back. And guys, I would recommend you do your own research. I would recommend that you come and take a peek. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Come behind me, look at their website, see if you see anything to do with game streaming, such as our game sharing, such as Twitch, or 2 other third-party streaming places. But yeah, guys, that's the video I wanted to make. I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings. What I would recommend, if you are one of those that do a lot of streaming, look into other apps. There are quite a few out there. I have seen and tested a few, and I know that they work pretty well. And guys, even looking at this tab, I know I was about to end the video, but I did find something as well. So in this tab, the gaming tab on both of these, one thing that you see on the latest website is that it has gaming. Experience it today, and you see just nothing but local gaming here. Just gaming, which is great. Over here, it says it's for the streamer or for the gamer. And yeah, the streamer could be those who stream content such as Hulu, Netflix. But I think they wanted you to take something else from that. I wanted them to think that you could stream your games from the Shield, because streamers are those who stream to Twitch and YouTube. But before I do any more jumping into this or looking really deep into this, possibly deeper than I should, I'm going to end the video there. Feel free to leave your comments, your opinions, which if you find anything, leave that below as well. I'd be more than happy to take a look. If there's something that I missed, also put that in the comment section as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs down. If you did, hit that thumbs up, share it out. Again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.